So we've accomplished Barry not gone into the snow. And lucky for her, she inherited some of her own snowy mountains herself.
That I can't even enjoy. These are chesty.
So here she is.
I don't want to step on her feet. I don't know where
her chest, her tummy, all the way down. Where did she go? I don't know. I don't know. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? I don't even know.
Here I am.
Oh, grizzly bear. Oh, grizzly bear
Just enough to get out.
is sleeping in her cave.
Can I get up?
Please be very quiet. Please be very quiet. Do not wake her, do not shake her, or she's sure to.
She's dead.
Growl?
Mama, no.
You ready, set? Do not wake her, do not shake her, or she's sure to. Okay, third time's the charm. Do not wake her, do not shake her, or she's sure to. You're wasting my memory. Get up, get up! Oh, look, it's just really good movies.
Get this ice off of her.
Well, it's cold out here.
Oh my gosh, your pants are all wet.
Oh, they sag.
I fell.
My calves are burning.
Tanya, hey Tanya, was that cold?
No, actually.
Oh, cool.
But my calves are burning.
Okay, ready, cut.